All of us come across a situation when we get spam, unsolicited, and unwanted phone calls. Get it often enough, we even go ahead and save it onto our phones. Something like do not lift, or spam caller, or unknown. It could be anything. It doesn't matter how or on what name we save the number. All that matters is that the number got saved to our phone. The advice here is don't ever save any number on your phone unless absolutely necessary, especially when you have this setting on your WhatsApp turned on. Not just WhatsApp, but this is almost the same case with most of the other messaging or social networking apps. And these days, there are even some spurious third party apps that can get into our messaging applications. It's a simple logic to understand here. It makes our profile picture to start with vulnerable and accessible to that stranger if they too have our number stored. As simple as that. And all because of this simple setting within WhatsApp. It doesn't end there. Sometimes the entire contacts can also be hacked along with your phone's contents. Since you have set the display profile pic to be shown only to your contacts, chances are that if the stranger also has your number, then your profile pic is surely visible to him or her. So right now, check your contacts list and get rid of all old and unwanted contacts, even the ones that you have stored as do not lift. Once done, just go to your WhatsApp contacts list and hit on refresh so the contacts list gets updated. Some may ask, what's the big deal or risk in sharing a profile picture? But here are some real life cases where profile pictures were compromised or misused. That being said, these days crimes are even conducted by people who claim to be our friends. So all said and done, it doesn't matter about contacts at the end of the day, but what level of access we give others to our phones and life. Let us exercise caution before we store a random number onto our phones, and this doesn't just apply to women, but all of us. Stay safe, take care. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like my other video on tech awareness session where I have shown how to identify a spammy website before you spend on any online courses. Check out the video here.